Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need Xampp and WordPress ready. Start Apache and MySQL now so files serve locally. Once Apache and MySQL show green, open localhost/phpMyAdmin to create a database named wp-local. Make the database UTF-8MB4 for emojis and compatibility. Next, extract WordPress into htdocs/wp-local and set folder permissions so Apache can read and write files. You're initiating the environment first. These steps let WordPress talk to MySQL. Now proceed to configuration, open wp-config. PHP and add the database name, user, and password you created. This links PHP to MySQL. Once done, save and navigate to http://localhost/wp-local. The installer will ask for site title, admin email, and credentials. Fill those in and use a strong password even for local work. This prevents accidental exposure. After install, log into /wp-admin to confirm themes and plugins list. Make sure permalinks work by visiting a post. If not, check Apache Rewrite module. To finish, enable pretty permalinks under Settings Permalinks and Test Pages. Mod Rewrite must be active. Once done, install one theme and a cache plugin for local testing. Make sure file permissions allow uploads. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting step is checking the database connection. Confirm MySQL is running and wp-config. PHP credentials match phpMyAdmin. If errors persist, check Apache error log and MySQL error log. Then restore from your last htdocs and database export to reset safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.